With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, this is a question. Let me explain it to you. Give the constituents of baking powder. Baking powder contains of sodium, hydrogen carbonate, or we can say sodium bicarbonate reacting with tartaric acid to avoid the bitterness in food due to formation of sodium carbonate. Okay. The second one is saying why cake or bread swells on adding baking powder? Because of carbon dioxide. So the reaction that happens is that we are having sodium bicarbonate, right? So when we are adding this this is baking powder in the presence of tartaric acid, some H plus ion presence is also there. Okay, so that makes it the baking powder. So let's talk about basically the salt we are having. On heating, it leads to the formation of sodium carbonate, water, as well as there is release of carbon dioxide which causes fluffiness in the food item. This is the reaction. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.